Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve a problem in 8-point DFT. Right? We are going to compute the DFT of 8-point sequence using DIT FFT. So let me take the sequence. X of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me take this sequence. So you can have any numbers, right? So a total of 8 numbers. So 8-point sequence. So let me number the samples to avoid confusion. So this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. There you go. Now we have to input the samples over here in a bit reversed order, right? So we have seen that already. So this is the bit reversed order. So this is normal order 0 to 7. And this is the bit reversed order 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So it has to be x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6 likewise. Okay. So let me write in the bit reversed order. So first will be x of 0. So the x of 0 value is 1. Then x of 4, the value will be 5. X of 4 is 5. Then x of 2, and the value is 3. Then we have x of 6, right? The value of x of 6 will be 7. Then we need x of 1. The value of x of 1 is 2. So x of 1 is 2. Then x of 5. X of 5 will be 6. Then x of 3 will be 4. Then finally x of 7, that will be 8. So we have written it in bit reversed order: x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So now as usual we have to start from the lowermost. So we will start from 2 point, then go to 4 point, then finally end up with 8 point. So first 2 point, right? The first butterfly. Here you will get W2 power 0, the value is going to be 1, and the lower branch will contain subtraction. So here 1 plus 5 into 1. So at this point I will get 1 plus 5 into 1. So I will get 5. So 6. And at this point I will have 1, 5 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 5. This is minus 1. So minus 5, so I will get minus 4. Then we'll go for the next dx. Right? W2 power 0 is equal to 1. So 3 plus 7 into 1. So 3 plus 7 equal to 10. In lower branch, the 3 comes here. And here we will have a minus 1. So 7 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 7. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. The next one, next dx. 2 comes here, and here W2 power 0 is equal to 1. 6 into 1, so plus 6, 8. And lower branch, the 2 comes here. 6 into 1 into minus 1, so minus 6, so we will get minus 4. Similarly, the last x. So the upper branch 4 plus 8 into 1, so plus 8, we will get 12. And here we will get 4, 8 into 1 into minus 1, so minus 8, so minus 4. So the first stage is over, we have computed all the 2 points. In the next stage we go for a 4-point sequence. So we have to combine the first and third lines. So the first dx, W4 power 0 equal to 1. The lower branch will have subtraction, right? So the upper branch we are having 6, and lower branch 10 into 1, so plus 10 equal to 16. Similarly, the lower branch 6 will be here, and 10 into 1 into minus 1, so minus 10, that is equal to minus 4. So 1x is down. Then we go for the next x. So here w4 power 1, which is minus j, and here minus 1. So the w4 power 1 is minus j, we have seen in the previous video. So now here the upper branch minus 4 will come here, right? So minus 4 will come here, and in the lower branch minus 4 into minus j will come here. So that is plus 4j. Okay, observe carefully. Minus 4 comes here, and lower branch we already have a minus 4, a minus j. Minus 4 into minus j will be plus 4j. That will come here. Now next, the minus 4 will come here to the lower branch, and here minus 4 into minus j, that is plus 4j, into minus 1, that will make it minus 4j. Okay, so that is the first 4 point. Then the next 4 point, right? Again the first and third lines. Two x's. So the first x will be at w4 power 0 equal to 1. So the 8 will come here. Here 12 into 1, that will come here. So plus 12. That will give me 20. In lower branch we will have a minus. So the 8 will come here, and here 12 into 1 into minus 1. So minus 12. That will give me minus 4. Okay, then the next line here w4 power 1 is equal to minus j. Okay, and here we have a minus 1. So minus 4 will come here, and here minus 4 into minus j, so plus 4j. So minus 4 plus 4j, and when it comes to lower branch, the minus 4 will come here, and lower branch if you see minus 4 into minus j plus 4j into minus 1, you will get minus 4j. So that is the end of the 4 point. Now we have to go for the 8-point sequence. So what I need to do here is I need to connect the first and fifth line. Okay, I connected the first 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth line. Okay, so this is the first x, and this is an 8 point, so we will get w suffix 8, and since this is the first x, the power will be 0. So anything power 0 is equal to 1, so makes our task easier. So the 16 comes here, and if you look at the lower branch, 20 into 1, that goes to the upper branch, so plus 20. The answer will be 36. Okay, and if you go for the lower branch, you know that there will be a minus 1. So the 16 comes here to the lower branch, and 20 into 1, 20 into minus 1, minus 20. So 16 minus 20. So you get minus 1. So if you observe this carefully, in every x, the same numbers will be there, 16 and 20. The upper branch will have addition, and the lower branch will be subtraction. That is the only difference. So while you are using in Cal C, it's easier for to calculate. So you just have to change the sign. When you type this for the upper branch, you can use the same thing for the lower branch. You only have to save the sign in between. Right. Now the second x, between second and sixth line. So here if you see, we will get w8 power 1. Okay, w8 power 1. So we have already computed the values. So see how it is done. w8 power 1. We know that wn suffix n equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n, right? So that's what we are doing here. E power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole power 1. So the 2 and 8 will be cancelled to give 4. So we'll get e power minus j pi by 4, which is nothing but cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 value is 0.707. The sin pi by 4 value is 0.707. So 0.707 minus j 0.707. So that is the value. So w8 power 1 will be equal to 0.707 minus j Now pay attention. The first branch, the upper branch, has minus 4 plus 4j. So that comes as it is, minus 4 plus 4j. Okay. Now the lower branch, we will observe this, a minus 4 plus 4j, that is multiplied with 0.707 minus j 0.707. That is getting added here. So minus 4 minus 4j multiplied with 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, when you are using your Cal C, you better put another bracket here. Right? This should be in one bracket, multiplied by this in another bracket, and these both terms should be in the third bracket. So you can type this entirely in one line and you can calculate. Right? You have to set your calculator to complex mode, and when you compute this, you will get only the real part. To get the imaginary part, you have to press shift equal to in your calculator to get the imaginary part. Okay, so I'll leave that to you. So this answer will be minus 4 plus 9.656 j. Okay, so when you compute this in your calculator, this is what you will be getting, minus 4 plus 9.656 into j. Okay, now the lower branch, as I said earlier, the same thing except the plus will become a minus. Since you have a minus here, the plus will become a minus. So I'll get minus 4 plus 4j minus 4, this is a plus here, so minus 4 plus 4j into 0.707 minus j 0.707. So this will be equal to minus 4 minus 1.656 j. So I hope you understand. So you simply have to track the numbers, calculate using your calculator. Okay, the minus 4 plus 4j comes here, and if you consider the lower branch, a minus 4 plus 4j, that is getting multiplied with 0.70 minus j 0.707. So minus 4 plus j, plus in lower branch you are having minus 4 plus 4j multiplied with this term. You simply have to substitute this in your calculator, you will get this answer. So for the lower branch, you need not type this again in your calculator, you have already typed it. Instead of plus, you can change it to minus and you will get this answer. Okay. Now for the third branch, the third x between the third line and seventh line. Okay, so the third x is between the third line and the seventh line. Okay, so third line we are having minus 4, and seventh line also we are having minus 4. Now here the multiplier would be w8 power 2, whose value is minus j. Once again I show you here. See, w8 power 2 is e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2. So this 2 when we cancel with 8, it becomes 2 times. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So 4 and 8 if we cancel 2 times. So pi by 2, cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 value is 0, sin pi by 2 value is 1. So we will get minus j. So w8 power 2 is minus j. So here we are having minus 4, that will come as it is, right? And here minus 4 into minus j, that will be plus 4j. Okay, when it comes to lower branch, you know it is subtraction, so minus 4 minus 4j, the same as upper branch except that there will be a subtraction. Okay, then fourth x between fourth line and eighth line. Here w8 power 3, for which again the answer e power minus j pi by 2 pi by 8 into 3. So 2 in 8, it goes 4, right? So e power minus j 3 pi by 4, which we will get it as cos 3 by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4. The answer will be minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So here we will get minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So now the upper branch we are having minus 4 minus 4j plus in lower branch minus 4 minus 4j multiplied with minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, so minus 0.707 minus j 0.707, and the answer will be minus 4 plus 1.656 j. So you can verify the answer using your calculator. And the lower branch, if you see, so again minus 4 minus 4j comes here, and lower, since it's lower branch, it is subtraction. Here we are having minus 4 minus 4j and minus 0.707 minus j 0.707, and if you calculate, you will be getting minus 4 minus 9.656 j. So since this is DIT f of t, the output will be in normal order. So this will be capital X of 0, and this will be capital X of 1, capital X of 2, capital X of 3, capital X of 4, capital X of 5, capital X of 6, and capital X of 7. So if you observe closely the answers, there is a pattern which you can check. The first value of the answer will always be the sum of the samples in the given problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you calculate, you will get 36. 8 plus 7, 15, plus 6, 21, plus 5, 26, plus 4, 30, 33, 35, 36. So the first term will be the sum of all the components. Okay, and the remaining terms, if you consider the x of 4 term is minus 4, and if you look at both sides of that term, you will have complex conjugate. So if you look at the value above x of 4, minus 4, 1 plus 1.656j, and the one below is minus 4 minus 1.656j. And okay, so the next value here, it is minus 4 plus 4j, x of 2, and if you look at x of 6, it is minus 4 minus 4j, and x of 1 is minus 4 plus 9.656j, x of 7 will be minus 4 minus 9.656j. So on either side of x of 4, you will be having complex conjugates. First value will be sum of all the values, and there will be a complex conjugate pattern in the remaining values. So let me write the solution finally. Capital X of k is equal to 36 minus 4 plus 9.656j minus 4 plus 4j minus 4 plus 1.656j minus 4 minus 4 minus 1.656j minus 4 minus j 4j minus 4 minus 9.656j. So you have to take all the values from here, the finally computed values, and you have to write your final solution. So this will be the final answer for this 8-point DFT. So you just have to understand the concept here. So we are dealing with the x's. In every x, the upper branch will be addition, the lower branch will be subtraction. When it comes to 2 point, there will be only one x. So we will have one term, w2 power 0 multiplier. When you get 4 points, we have 2 x's, right? The first x will have a multiplier of w4 power 0. The second x will have a multiplier of w4 power 1. So we will have 2 multipliers. Okay, but the procedure is same. The upper branch is addition and the lower branch is subtraction. When you get to 8 point, there will be 4 x's. So there will be 4 multipliers, w8 power 0, w8 power 1, w8 power 2, w8 power 3. Okay, that is a simple procedure.